Tutorials, how to make apps that make you money every single day. Christopher Wilson here, and this video is part of a playlist. So hit that bell notification on YouTube and also subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Matter of fact, leave me a comment on if you like the music in my videos or not. Okay, so right now what we did was we just built our APK file and we loaded it onto our phone, or we copied it to our phone using the USB method. Okay, you can use Google Drive method or whatever you like to do, but let's go ahead and check our APK file. I put it on the phone main root folder, I guess, and it's right here at the bottom. Test 1, Thumbtack Games, Neon Wolf. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tap it. It's going to ask you to install it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install, and we're going to test it out, take it for a test run. Okay, all right, and we're going to open it. Okay, and that's that blue background. I should have made that black, but anyway. Let's go ahead. Okay, now we know Google Ads ad mob is running. Now, these are not your ads because remember, you don't have your account set up yet. Or if you do, fine, it will be yours. But I'm going to go ahead and close that out. That's the interstitial ads. And yeah, I don't like that blue. Okay, so we're going to change that. Okay, but anyway, let's go to, okay, this is supposed to be blank. But anyway, let's go ahead and activate it anyway. Oh, you know what? I had this installed before. Okay, what I'm going to do is uninstall it and install it again. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to click Activate Keyboard. Okay, let's go ahead and click Activate Keyboard. Down here at the bottom, you'll see Neon Wolf Keyboard Theme. Go ahead and tick the slide button. Okay, alrighty. So go to your back button on your phone. Now let's go to Select Keyboard, and you're going to choose Neon Wolf Keyboard Theme. Okay, and let's go to Select Theme, and I like how those ads are popping up. Okay, so here's where you're going to select your theme for your keyboard. So for the first one, let's choose this one right here. You can choose any one you want. Okay, your keyboard thing is changed. Okay, now see, the reason you change your letters to black is because of this right here. See, if your text would have been white, you wouldn't see that okay there. Okay, so we changed to black, so we see okay. Tap okay. Okay. Oops. Okay, and let's go ahead, select our language. Okay, English. Okay, and let's go back and let's go ahead and close it down, or clear all, and let's test to see if that keyboard theme took effect. So I'm going to click Google, and there it is. Okay, that's your keyboard right there. So whenever you send a text message or search on Google, whatever, you're going to see that keyboard. Now, what I'm going to do, just to save a little time, I'm going to take a screenshot of this to make our icon. Matter of fact, I suggest you do the same. Just go ahead and get your screenshots out the way. And I'm pressing the power button and down, and the down volume button, okay? So let's go back. And let's open up our keyboard app again. Take a few more screenshots. So we can go ahead and make our icon. I'm going to show you my ninja method for doing this. Nobody uses. Okay. Let's go ahead and select another theme. Okay. Let's do this one right here with the wolf with the eyes looking at you. Oops. Tap it. Whoop. Okay. All right. Congratulations. Keyboard has changed. Okay. All right. Now let's go to text messaging. Let's see. Although I can't send a text on this phone because this is my internet phone, but messaging. Okay. Emergency alert, emergency alert. Okay. Let's see what happens here. There it is. Okay. Alrighty. That's our keyboard right there. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a screenshot of that. Okay. Go back. Let's open our app up again. Let's use another theme. Let's use that one. Well, no, actually, that one wouldn't be good for icon. Let's try. I like that one right there, actually. I thought I put more than that. Oh, I guess that's all I put. Okay, let's try that one. Okay. And let's just tap Google at the top there. Okay. And there that one is. All right. Take a screenshot of it. Okay. All right. So we tested our app. Oh, and actually we didn't type anything, did we? Let's just type something just to double check to see if it's working. YouTube. Okay. All right. There are numbers. Okay. Brackets. All the keys seem to be working. Okay. All right. So it is working. Alrighty. So let's clear all. And that'll be it. So we tested our app. We know what changes we need to make to the theme, the primary colors and the secondary colors and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and do that and probably run another test and, see if our colors match up. So going to go to the rest of the training video. See you then.